Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Clevedon today. That's 7 charity shops down there. And I really didn't find anything I wanted to buy. Well, I suppose that's not strictly true. There are a couple of things that were overpriced that I might have bought if they were cheaper. But I did buy this music box because it was £1. And I do like music boxes, not for the looks. I can't say that I'm particularly looking for a nice little jewellery box with Disney characters on it, but it does work. I might take it apart actually, because I've got a music box toy that needs the music box replacing. It would normally start, but I wound it right down the last time I opened it. So music box is in the back here. It feels like it's only cardboard. This really does feel cheap and nasty, but then again it's only a child's toy. So shut it up, wind it up a little bit. And it shouldn't play, because the idea is that stops it playing. And then when you open the top, oh come on, stop. Yeah, there we go. I could have wound it up a lot longer, but that was plenty. So say, it feels like it's only very thin cardboard. In fact, that looks like I can pull it out if I'm careful. Oh, there we go. So yeah, just an ordinary music box in there. Interesting to see how it's actually driven. The one I wanted to try and use it to replace actually has the shaft coming out of the middle of the music drum, coming straight out this way, whereas this has got an extra. Let's zoom in. Are you still in focus? Yeah. So this one's actually driven off the gear down there, which is interesting. That feels like that's plastic. Yeah, I mean they're all basically the same, or I say they're all basically the same. All the ones that I've looked at are basically the same. Some of them, this piece seems to be metal, but that feels, just going by the temperature of it, like plastic. I'll just take a closer look at it. I'm just having to reshoot this last bit because the camera went out of focus when I checked it. So I'm going to take it apart anyway. This bit just pulls off. So that comes out easy enough. And there's just 2 screws on the back. I've taken one out already. I'll take the key off. The other one out. So, cheap little cardboard box, not even wood at don't think. No, I think that's card. So, yes, we can see this a bit clearer now, if that's going to stay in focus. So this arm here, just got a bit of hair in it, but we won't worry about that too much. This little arm here, they've built a little bracket for it on the side, and then it's got teeth on it there that are running off this gear here. Other than that, just a standard little music box unit. Got a bit of muck on there. So I'll just add this one to my collection. So I think I'll do away with the box. It's got a name on there. The camera will pick that up. Furong. F-U-R-O-N-G. Furong. Yeah, I think for £1 that was a handy little find. Especially if I get those bits of hair out of the... I don't think they're actually affecting it up there though. Yeah, so there we go. That's today's charity shop gold or garbage. Nice little music box unit. Well, I suppose the cardboard box itself might be useful for something. Keeping my music box in, I suppose. Yeah. That's it. That's today's charity shop gold or garbage.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.